guys are having an awesome day, week, or weekend. But if you are not, have faith because things get better. Today we're doing a studio vlog number 5. Going to be again over the course of a couple of days. I am going to be designing new stickers, and then I'm going to be doing a new logo for sure in this video, and then packaging. This is going to be a little bit more of like a talky kind of studio vlog. I'm going to have clips of me and just like music, but I'm going to be talking quite a lot in this video. So just skip the parts if I'm talking, but hopefully it'll be interesting. Have fun watching. I have a new desk here in this room, and it's much bigger than the one that's in my room, so that's why I've been in here instead. It's the Flexi Spot desk. It also can be adjustable, it can move up and down. We did like a little TikTok thingy. They didn't pay me to say anything. They just sent me a free desk and asked for like a TikTok video, so that's what I did. But I literally love this desk so much. It's so much bigger because my other desk is absolutely teeny tiny, and I feel very like this one's like very open. I have so much stuff on this desk right now, and it still feels like I have enough space. But if all this stuff was on my other desk, it would feel too cluttered. That's what I like about it. My camera's dying. Also, I hit 6,000 subscribers, which is kind of insane. Vincent was saying like, oh yeah, you're definitely gonna hit 6,000 subscribers before the new year ends, and I was like, dude, there's no way I'm gonna hit 6,000 subscribers. But guess what happened? I hit 6,000 subscribers, and that's freaking awesome. I was kind of far away. I had like a couple hundred and like a week left to hit 6,000, but I did, and that's very happy. No, please tell me I have one more. Yay. I told myself during winter quarter or winter break that I was going to make at least 10 stickers, but I haven't even made one, like new stickers. I don't know what I want to do or what kind of stickers I want to make. I feel like all sticker makers, they have like a type of theme or like a niche of what kind of stickers they make. Like some people do stickers of drawings, and other people do like nice flowers or like nature. That's not really the stickers I want to produce, or if I want to follow like a color palette so that if somebody sees my stickers, they'll know it's from Journaling, something like that. But I thought I was going to be making a ton of stickers this winter break, but I did not, because I did not have the motivation to, I did not have the creativity to, because I don't know what I'm doing with my sticker business. I think when I'm most busy, when I have school, work, sticker business, YouTube, is when I really start like forcing myself to do stuff, because right now during break I'm like, oh, I could just do it later, I'll push it off, I have so much time, I have a week to go, and then that just keeps getting delayed. When I'm in school, I feel like everything needs to get done really fast. I start to check stuff off of my to-do list because I need to get it done, and if I don't get it done, it'll stress me out. But right now I don't have any stress, so I don't feel like I need to do anything. During break I just really didn't want to do anything. But I also get paid on YouTube now for my ads. Sometimes when I like watch my own YouTube videos on my phone to see how the quality is, the ads come up, and sometimes I accidentally skip them too because I forget that I'm watching my own YouTube video, and I'm just so used to clicking skip ads, so I skip my own ads on accident. Pretty cool. I get paid to post content on YouTube, so it's very awesome. Okay.
In my world, I don't worry, darling, I just smile, 'cause you're by my side. And now your eyes open up every morning to the love that shines in mine, and I see it in yours too. So now I sing to you, and when you go and leave me here all alone, I'll be waiting. We can make it, because I know that after all this time, you'll read between these lines. Feeling fine, 'cause you said this is all you want. No more playing on all this waiting. I'll call you.
What I have so far for my new logo. It's a little mug with my journaling in there and all the like different stationery, because I actually have a mug like this. It has Piglet on it, but I would always put my pens and my stationery inside that little mug. So I thought it was very cute, and it's very on brand with like journaling and journaling, because I love pens and I love mugs and I like drinking out of mugs. I like the color pink. I think I like it. I really like it. So instead of like the yellow circle logo that has journaling that I usually put into all of my packages, my sticker packages, I am going to be putting that one in there instead as my logo. I was listening to a podcast and they said it was a good idea to add like a little sticker logo in all your packages, because if your buyers put those on something, then one of their friends could be like, oh, that's really cute, where'd you get that? Basically a marketing strategy. I don't know if it actually works. I don't really know if any customers or buyers put my logo sticker on anything, but hopefully they do. And then some other stickers that I have been working on since yesterday is this one. It says sometimes it has to be bad before it could get better. The original one that I had before this, which I don't really like that much, is this one. It's the same quote, but I made this the same time I made the "It'll All Get Better" sticker. Same theme of going through some shit and then just finding hope in little tiny moments in your life, because sometimes it does have to be bad before it can get better, because that's just life. But the point is, it'll get better. By the time this video is up, it will be posted on my Etsy, so go check it out. This one said, be rooted and established in love. Through the window. Okay, quick little intermission. I bought some black high top Converse. This box looks freaking tiny because I bought a kid's size 3 because I have another pair of Converse that I can wear a size 3 in kids in, but these look tiny, so I'm kind of scared. These don't look high. It's good having small feet because then you can get shoes for cheaper. So these shoes were $43, so that's pretty freaking awesome. But I've always wanted a pair of black high top Converse since like middle school, but I just never got them because my brother said they're so hard to put on or something like that. So I was just like, is it worth it? But they're so cute. Gonna have to get used to having something wrapped around my ankles. No, do I like them? I'm not sure. My legs are hairy. Okay, back to the vlog. It's hot.
Prince Charming don't smile, in fact he won't show up at all. So you and I should be human beings and not just pieces in a past that we can't read. Don't you wanna go outside? So it go, baby, go, grow, baby, grow. Don't leave it all for the other side.
No. I'm going to clean my mat right now because it's pretty dirty and it's not really sticky anymore, and I think it's kind of messing up my cuts because the stickers aren't laying flat on the mat. But I'm gonna go clean it right now. I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. First, I get a towel. What do I usually do? I've only done this once, and then I wet my towel, and then just get some dish soap. And then I just clean my mat very lightly.
When words have no place and time has escaped, ooh, that's where our hearts connect. So you and I should
That's it. You just let it air dry now. Hello, so today is Tuesday and I'm going to be taking pictures for Etsy, and then I'm going to be putting those pictures on my Etsy shop and then post on Instagram and then edit some stuff. And my coffee is fucking delicious today. Tastes like the 85-degree sea salt coffee. It's so fucking good. Okay, let's take some pictures. There's this cool little like panel from the light right there. There's also some on the ground, so they're going to use that for my background. So do that. Look at my new logo stickers.
That's cute.
Thank you. You want one? You could stick it somewhere.
Stick it where? My phone?
Oh, yeah, if you want.
I guess.